Okay, Ashok. So
Welcome back.
Welcome back for the third and final session of
So conversation
and okay. So I think let's get started with it without maybe spending too much time. Correct.
Sure.
So I had a very common question from like most of the students. Sir, fees is too high. So what do you think on that part? What is your take on that part?
Yeah, this is an interesting question, Sanjeev. So, see, fee is always a very tricky part because the fee is one what we pay, but what is the value of a water when you are thirst? You are struggling in a desert and somebody offer you water versus you are staying in a normal day and don't care about that. So the water remains the same. Maybe the bottle will cost you 30-40 bucks. But due to the situation which is getting created around that need, what decides the value. So this will always be subjective, and even we have no proper answer to formulate like why this much and why not more or why not less. But ideally it is growing every batch is what I can understand, and people are because how the industry works is always demand and supply. But so far what we have not followed that role. There is a demand, but we are not charging too much on that. But the idea is think from the student perspective. The average salary, the lowest salary, even if considered as 25,000 rupees, if a student don't join Purple Synapse or maybe unemployed, right, and he's unemployed for next 5 months. Today he say I don't want to join, for example, because fees is high, and next 5 months he is unemployed or she is unemployed. So 25,000 is the least salary anybody getting. I'm talking about the weakest of the candidate. I'm not talking about the smartest guy.
Correct.
So even if you are unemployed for 5 months from now, you could have already paid the fees. So student had to decide whether they still want to be unemployed for 5 months or getting a job as soon as possible, so that in first 5 months my money has been paid and I'm moving ahead and taking care of my family and my aspirations. So this is how a student should think. Otherwise there is no definitive answer. More people will see, because we have limited seat. If you see more people paying more money, which we will see, and we will increase in the price because of that. But if many people are saying no, I can pay little less, then maybe we will also try to see how we can manage our expenses at certain cost. And if it doesn't work out, then we will look for some other options.
So you have brought a very different perspective to it, maybe like the calculation part, correct? So really appreciate that. But then as you said, there is no proper answer to it. To justify that point, maybe I will add one more point from my side. We have seen international schools getting paid for KG student 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs also.
Yeah.
There are parents who are paying just for teaching them ABCD. Correct?
Yeah.
So there is no proper justification of everything is happening. So it is all about, it's not that. So you have to at the same time evaluate what quality you are getting. Right. For what purpose you are, you gave a very nice example of the first part. Right? So for what purpose you are doing it, and what are you trying to save out of it, correct? By paying that money. So it is whether you want to save your reputation, you want to save your.
It's not only about jobs, Sanjeev. See, end of the day, what money you will pay to someone who will help you to take out from your, the negativity you are surrounded with. People are asking you for the job, you are not getting placed, struggling for 1 year, 2 years down the line.
Correct.
What money would you pay for that?
Correct.
Right? So
no
that student has to decide for that, because end of the day, once you pay, you are at your own.
Correct.
You have your own life, do whatever you want from that. So there is no, that's what I keep thinking, money should never be a point. When I was launching this, I thought, okay, nobody will ask even for the money, because end of the day you have a job.
Correct.
And you pay, you may take loan, and we are also talking to a few banks who can even offer you the EMI part. And that's it. I mean, you are earning zero to started earning at least this much of money.
Correct.
Is what everybody
It's
should look
trying
for.
to make you independent.
How does it matter how much Purple Synapse makes out of
Correct.
that? So every student will look differently, because we have seen all kind of people who said even money is less. They said, "Sir, take the money in advance but give me seat." Versus there are many people who said money is more, sir, I will not be able to join this course. So I said if that student is still waiting for 5 months, he has anyway paid the fees, he could have joined our courses.
Correct.
Right. So this is another way of looking into the price part, and this will go high depending upon if people are able to pay, because quality comes at certain cost, and it's not about it's a product which you are buying, a camera or phone or a car. It's your career, and you decide how much you want to pay for your career. If your career worth 2.5 lakhs, you pay for it. If say 50,000 rupees your career worth, then maybe you should look for somebody who can pay for that as well. But it's the students who will decide. That's not a concern.
Sure.
So, but that question, the fees part, also coming back to you, Sanjeev, because if some people are saying that because students are not able to think beyond, which is immediate 6 months, 1 year, and they think, okay, this much is my fees, this much is my salary, so you minus it, so there's a benefit of 1 lakh. So if that, because they don't understand actually the meaning of career and everything else. And do you are you planning, or you are talking to Vishal and everybody else to launch few courses? Can you talk about a few other courses apart from Cyber Pro, which we are planning to launch?
Yes, I think you have to address that as a one concern. Anyway, and so we are in discussion. Okay, almost it has been finalized. There are a couple of more courses as an immediate need which we are going to launch, which is next generation firewall expert. Okay, and the second is the SIM expert, or maybe the security analytics experts. Okay, so these are mainly focused on to the specific skill of a particular engineer, and they are domain specific, maybe
so these are basically specialization courses. While Cyber Pro is a brand, you learn everything and under the sun 360 degree view.
Correct.
But these are very, very specialized courses, only
that is a very nice word to choose, maybe specialization courses.
Right, and then the security analytics.
Correct.
You still have a 100% job, but a specific domain on day one it has been fixed. You will learn in and around little bit, but primarily focused on that. And for those kinds of courses, the fees will be less because the efforts are less, and still a job guarantee, but salary, the minimum salary guarantee is not there, because company, anybody who comes in, whatever the salary they will offer,
correct, because specialization courses maybe in the area of the your overall productivity also gets constrained to a particular skill.
Domain.
Correct. So
salary or every salary is also little less, but yes, same job guarantee and everything else is there. So you please be in touch with us through our Facebook and other channels, and you will come to know when we are launching our new programs.
So what is the difference between them? Can you please elaborate something on them? Maybe.
See, NGFW, when I was designing, and anyway you have to take the final call, and when you are planning to launch and everything else. So the primary reason was that the students who are not very sure what they want, why they should learn all these things, their single point agenda is job. They have less money to pay, even after getting the job, which is I'm not able to understand, because once you get a job, why you should not pay? But let's assume students still thinking for short term, and they don't mind working at 15, 20, 25, 30,000 salary. If they are able to get it, they are happy with that. So to cater to that specific need is what we thought we will launch these specialization courses, which are very, very specific to a particular domain. And but again, the range will be, here the range is around 3.5 to 6.5. There the range could be 2 to 4 to 5. But there is no guarantee kind of thing. 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakhs is what majority of the companies will be offering to the specialization courses, just like a college hiring, because you are good in one specific thing. Okay, and rest all the the formula of job guarantee, money back, everything else still remains the same. Is what we thought we will be able to do that. If any of the students have any questions about this particular question, they can write a comment, and we will be more than happy to share with you if you are really interested in that. Okay. So, Sanjeev, the next question is, so how companies are approaching for hiring in Purple Synapse?
Okay.
So all these hiring partners who ever come to us for hiring, how
so
they are getting connected with us?
Correct. So I think that is also a very great question. So because every candidate almost the students like who come on board us, they just ask us who are your hiring partners. Okay, that is a very common question. So I say I have never displayed any hiring partner on my website, correct? And but at the same time, there are companies who are approaching us.
Right.
Correct? So there are different channels through which these companies are approaching. So most of the times through you or maybe
These are all customers where we have done the projects. And
so we have different customers, like large number of customers where we have done the security implementations.
Right.
Correct? So these companies know us, and considering they are doing business or we have done some kind of business with them, so they keep on asking these resource for the kind of resource hiring perspective, and then we kind of just give them option.
so there are some big names who have approached you through
Correct.
internet, I heard.
Correct. And there are some big names also, like some companies who are interfacing with us. They are dropping email through our maybe chatbot or maybe emails or those kind of things. They are sharing their contact
Yeah,
details.
so the more people know about our brand and everything else, they are directly approaching. The big names are coming to us and they want to hire few people.
Correct.
And this is how we are growing the number of companies who are coming and picking up our
Right.
students.
So these are primarily through our own contacts or maybe through our some companies approaching us directly to our channels, whatever is available with us, and we are trying to kind of doing the best maybe for them.
Okay. Very nice, great.
Yeah.
And
And maybe just to add to that point,
Okay, yeah.
one more point which I would like to highlight, by the way, we just give the option of we don't charge anything for these things, right? So
is that the reason why company come to us?
not really, because if that would have been the case, some unknown people would not even have come and dropped an email to us, correct?
Okay.
So it's all about the quality, or maybe the way we are kind of penetrating us within the organizations through the quality resources.
Yeah, so basically our ex-students, who
Yeah.
are doing exceptionally well, they have created a brand for us. And because of them, the organization think, okay, these students are so good, why don't we go back to Purple Synapse and hire some more
Correct.
students? So basically, the quality brings quality.
Absolutely.
And we are definitely thankful to our ex-students who are performing really well in their jobs and, creating this brand of Purple Synapse to the next level. And that is how we are building the reputation.
I think that is one of the possible reasons. Otherwise, we would not have been the second time hiring from any particular organization.
Yeah, so many of this,
So-
most of them
Correct.
keep on hiring people.
Correct.
So that means they're satisfied with the first lot.
Correct.
And that's a great sign.
So we thank all the people whoever we hired from us, but at the same time, it is based on the quality.
Yes.
That's what we believe, and we are we're striving in all the angles to produce that kind of quality.
Definitely,
Correct.
definitely, right.
Sure. So how did it started, Ashok? How did you, because you being the program director for Purple Synapse, how did it got started really?
Sanjeev, so the journey of Purple Synapse is not like one fine day we got up and we thought we will run an academy. The pain point was when I was hiring for my own company, for QS, building up a team and approaching all these academies, colleges. We hired some campus folks. But what I realized, they always lacked the fundamental skills. So I was investing my 6 months of my time, training them, bringing to some level so that they can be productive. And that for me, there was a loss of those 6 months. During that time, they're not doing anything. I still remember hiring few of our employees, and those who are watching this video, they know that. I told them 3-4 months, you don't do nothing. You come here, study, go home, right? And we still pay the salary, right? And that was normal when we are a small organization. When we started growing, we realized this cannot be sustainable, right? And if a company like ours, a small company, is facing so much of talent crunch, I'm sure the issue is much bigger in the bigger organization. And when we started deploying more bigger projects, and almost every second customer is saying, I need resources. I need somebody to manage this firewall. I need somebody to be part of this team. So I thought, okay, looks like there is a big demand for this kind of requirements. And whatever the content which I used in the initial days to train our employees, we built this curriculum from that content. And we created this entire Cyber Pro program that yes, if any engineer who goes through this course in this order will be a solid engineer, will be able to crack any interview any day, because there is nothing left from these three domains of like entry-level jobs which are available in the cybersecurity domain, because everything is covered and we will be able to take care of that. So this is how the journey started. So our journey, we solved our problem, we met customer, we thought the problem is bigger, and that is how Purple Synapse idea was born. And we thought, okay, now let's go ahead full-fledged, run an academy, and go ahead and start teaching students. And in fact, the very first batch we call it as a CSR batch, where we offered free courses just to test our concept whether it will fly or not. Across the India, we floated our WhatsApp campaign and Facebook campaign, and I think we selected 5 students were there, but one girl dropped out at the last moment, and we trained them for free. And within 4 months, all of them were hired at a very good salary. And we thought, okay, this idea works, and this is how we built this entire concept.
Great. So in continuation of that, when we had started this program, it was more, it was started in Bangalore in offline mode. Maybe when the people were coming, they were attending the classes in the classrooms, and then from last batch we went completely online. I mean, and how difficult it was, how challenging it was.
Yeah, so that's a great.
And why did we start it?
So Sanjeev, see, when we launched these courses, we thought we will give the job guarantee and people were to pay us in upfront. And then this COVID happened, and we thought now there is no way we will be able to run classroom-based training. And which I realized I was not right in that sense, that students, if they are not coming to the classes, when I can't see them through my eyes, I can't believe they are studying. And if they don't study, obviously they will not get job, and that our own reputation was at stake. And we wanted to make sure everybody is coming to the classroom, and we are monitoring them very closely so that they work hard, so that they get placed, and so that our reputation is built on top of it, that yes, everybody gets job in Purple Synapse. And now as COVID happened, we were not sure what to do, and suddenly changing our own philosophy of offline to online, we thought let's give it a try. And then there was a batch which was running, and we built up this entire infrastructure of lab and content and everything. And thanks to all our students, which I really liked it. So if we do proper hiring of the students in the batches, I believe that it does not matter whether this is online or offline. And if you track them properly on day-to-day basis, they all deliver the job. And during that time, I realized also that instead of taking the money in advance, anyway we are giving them the job. And students might still think that I'm paying in advance, and maybe I don't know whether it is in safe hands or not. They thought, okay, remove that risk and let them ask the money only when they have an offer letter in their hand. So that is how it is entirely. With online training, we also changed our philosophy of asking for the full tuition fee only after they are getting placed, so that the primary reason for me was to attract the best talent. Because the moment you ask money in upfront, sometimes you won't get the good talent. But when you ask them to pay them later on, because now they don't have any risk involved in that.
Correct.
So I can attract the best talent, and that is one of the reasons we thought we'll go online, so that anybody from India will be able to apply, study from home, and they get job from home itself, right? And I'll get the best talent. So this is how it is.
Excellent. So maybe this comes or maybe comes or gets us to the final question of today's discussion. How Purple Synapse is different? Maybe how Purple Synapse should be preferred by the students, and how it is different from the other institutions.
How different, I don't know, because I don't know what other companies are doing, but which I think which we are doing definitely, which is definitely going to help the student. The number one is the trust for the job guarantee. There's no hidden conditions. We tell you upfront, you have to be disciplined, you have to attend all the classes. You don't have to write any exam to be qualified for the job and everything else, right? There is no conditions as such, strong conditions which, there's a trick part in that yes, we know that you will fail and anyway you will not ask for a job. So we wanted to get away with all those things. You just join our course, be disciplined, follow our instructions, and you have a job. So it is a real sense 100% job guarantee. And if not, anyway, you are not paying anything to us. Whatever deposit money you are paying, even that will be refunded to you. So for you, the entire training is free. So there is hardly any risk. So that is number one. Second thing, we are the only company right now, we are offering cyber range as part of the training. So this is our own product where you will learn like a champ. So this is one of the most sophisticated learning platform where you will see the real attacks happening in front of you, and you will be able to defend it right away. From zero knowledge to a level where we'll be handling the attack and defense in 4 to 5 months, that is an awesome journey for anybody to cover that. And that lab is the game changer for us. Then we offer the India's first blockchain based certificate. So your picture, your course, everything is sealed into blockchain. Nobody will be able to tamper it, not even you. So we are the first company to offer that certificate and CyberPro on a blockchain technology. In few years launch, we are the top 10 cybersecurity training company in India. Anybody can search on the internet. Analytica magazine has ranked us, in the top 10 in entire India. That too in the 2 years of the launch. Then we have 24/7 labs. These are not typical lab where you will be given access. Scenarios are getting pumped by our all consultants who are working on the field. They bring issues from the field that goes into the scenario, and our student practice that. And there is a 24/7 support which is happening with our team, and so that students' learning never stops. So there are many such things which we are able to help our student to make sure they get the best out of their time. And what we want from them, as I told you, because this section is all about what Purple Synapse want, their sincerity, their effort, their degree, their background, their marks does not matter much. What it matters is how serious you are. On day one you are serious. Are you serious every day of the course is the question. If you are serious, then you are absolutely at the right place, and we will continue to monitor the students, and we always look into that, those who are not very serious, and we always ask them, give them the warnings. If they're not serious, they can always quit the job, because anyway, they staying here, it does not help anyone. So that is how, Sanjeev, the things which we are doing differently. I hope we had a
great
discussion where we were able to share all the knowledge.
Yeah, I hope so. Okay, that we have covered up all the ground for the sake of the students. It is just to maybe set up what exactly gets expected from all these parties. The students have their own expectation, companies have their own expectation.
Right.
We are working and trying hard to to make it happen, but ultimately there are expectations from us also.
Correct.
So I think we have covered up well. And maybe if any student, if they find any questions or concerns, they can drop an email, and we will definitely.
Right, so you can reach out to us, or you can write your comment, comment us, and we will be able to help you out for sure. Thanks for watching, and let us know if any other topic you would like to listen from us. We will be more than happy to create those videos. And best of luck for your career. Do well in life. Take care.
Thank you so much. Thanks.